Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Maya Virtual Card. So if you're interested, let's get started. Now, in this case, you've just gotten your Maya Virtual Card here and you're wondering how to exactly use one. Well, the thing with a Maya Virtual Card, as long as you have the details for example, the card number, the expiration date, as well as the CVV or CVC at the back of that card, you'll now be able to start using it in platforms that it's actually allowed. Now, as an example, it's available in Lazada, Shopee, Foodpanda, Grab, Amazon, and a lot more. Now, the thing with Maya virtual cards here is most likely they will be accepted by different websites or international website out there. Just keep in mind that not all websites may accept Pay Maya here, so there are some restrictions to that. So just keep that in mind. So sometimes you may not be able to use it, but most of the time you should be able to use it on most companies or websites that is available in the Philippines. But yeah, so just to give you the idea as well, if you don't have a Maya virtual card yet, they have instructions on how to get one. So typically speaking, you just need to go to cards tab here and just follow the on-screen step to get the virtual card, which in this case, you need to go through a few things here. But yeah, so as an example, this is a website here, which is Shopee. So for example, I'm going to order a product here. Let's go and click on the buy now option here for this product. Let's go and click on checkout at the bottom right here. And you want to scroll to the very bottom here and you should see payment method. You go and click on change here and you want to go and choose credit or debit card. Now, the thing with Maya virtual cards here, it works similarly like any card you have out there. It's just virtual, but in this case, in a sense, it's still a card. So you just need to use credit or debit card here. Now, from here, click on pay with new card and just provide the necessary details like the card number, like I said before, expiry date, and the CVV. Now, the name on the card will be the exact name that is indicated or what you've signed up, what you use to sign up for that specific card, which in this case is just your name, and just click on submit. Now, once you've done that, your card will be added in here, and you'll be able to start placing your order, and that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.